Hi everyone, Chantel here. Welcome to Art Side Out. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a mixed media background. We're going to be working with collage and some really fun texture techniques. I'm so glad you're here. Let's jump in. Starting with collage. There is something about laying down paper and seeing it all come together, these different colors and textures and designs, that just feels so good. I think there's something about it too that lets our inner child play, and that's always such a good thing. This here is a jelly print that I did from a jelly print session. I will be doing some jelly print session videos, so watch out for that. That is a really fun way to spend an afternoon when you don't want to do a lot of thinking, you just want to throw things down and see what happens. I'm using matte gel medium to lay it down. You can use gloss as well, but I just find it's a little too shiny and glossy, especially for video. And I like the texture that matte leaves on the page. This is the front of my new journal, my first journal for 2026. I'm excited to see where this arrives because I don't really have a plan. I like to just stay in the moment and see what happens. Now I'm using a brayer to add white to the collage. This is titanium white. It's a great way of adding texture and also pushing the background a little into the background and helping it stand out more. One of my papers there, the one with the flowers on it, I wanted that to stand out, so I just sprayed some water on a paper towel and removed some of the white. Love how this is looking so far. Now we're going to add some fun and some texture with stamping. I just love using letters and numbers. It also is a great way to direct the eye around the page. It draws you in. Butterflies. You just gotta have butterflies. I mean, it's a necessity in mixed media, at least mine. Bubble wrap. This is so great. Using household items, doesn't cost you a dime. Throw some white paint on there or any color you like, and now you have got little circles and some really cool texture, creating a lot of interest for your background. I just love this. So yummy. And stencils. Oh yes. Here I'm bringing in a little bit of gold. And there will be a list of supplies below. When stenciling, I generally use a makeup wedge with a little bit of paint on it. You have to be careful to not have too much paint on there or it bleeds through the stencil. So this is looking lovely. Just a little bit of gold. Coming in now with some liquid acrylics. I chose not to pour it straight out of the bottle because I have less control that way, and also it can be very dark, which is great sometimes. But instead I dabbed some on my palette paper, added water to it, and then applied it with a brush. And then sprayed water on it to get some drippies going. And there it is, a yummy mixed media background. Feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this, and I hope today watching this video brings your art side out.